Remy, don't be so mad.
Are you zooming in on my face?
No, don't be so mad.
Liar!
Okay, yeah.
Mary!
That was Snickers.
No, it wasn't. It was Mary!
Snickers. Oh, there's a red dot on your face now. It's right in your eyeball. Now it's over your nose. You have a big pimple on your nose. No. Just like the red dot was like a pimple. How beautiful do I look?
I'm gonna film you now. How do you zoom in?
See, that's Snickers.
Yeah, but before it was Mary. Get your foot out of the way. Animals are in trouble. Go to the rescue. The phone is ringing.